Alright guys, check this out right here, man. We got another problem here. Both reverse lights not working. I already replaced the light bulb and still didn't fix the problem. But look like somebody been on this vehicles before. All this wire right here been cut and spliced. You know? Here's the old one. The old light bulb came out. I don't see any problem with that. But there was an old one right there. Let's test it out if it does. If it still works. It's working. So look like somebody been trying to cut it. See that? Somebody cut this wire right here. Could be a bad ground. I'm trying to fit it with the. Look like somebody trying to cut and splice that already. You know? Somebody trying to fix it. Look like this one right here. This is the ground right here. Okay. The reverse light working. I mean, third brake light's working. So it gotta be the signal. I gotta check the signal on the switch, on the reverse, on the transmission. If that signals, if I'm receiving a signal from the switch, you know for sure I got a bad ground. If I have a bad ground, there's only two things will cause that problem, right guys? Bad ground, bad switch, or bad harness, or wire, or pigtail. Or socket. So let's check it out. Test it out, guys. Alright. We got it on reverse right now. So we're gonna see if I'm getting power. Let's see, check this out right here. What is that right there? See that? It's kinda weird. Alright, this is the ground right here. What's that mean? Look at it. What is doing that? Checking from this side right here for sure. Let's see. I'm getting good signal. Alright, let's see. Oh, this ground right here. That's the ground supposed to be. That's weird. Signal. Gotta be a switch, guys. That's weird. Is this thing supposed to be the ground right here? Let's see. That's the ground. Why is it doing that? Check out here. Alright, the car's on the reverse. So, look like I'm not getting a signal. Ground. Nope. I got good ground. No signal. Yep. You good? Let's chat it out. Thank you, bro. Alright guys, getting ready to see why the reverse light's not working. So I'm not getting no power from the socket, from the tail light. So we're gonna try to check it from the main harness, from the bottom of the vehicles to the transmission to the switch. So we gotta get this car in the air, and then I gotta put it in reverse to make sure I'm getting power. Alright, first thing you do, you gotta switch it to reverse. Put that in reverse, and then we're gonna race the car up. Alright, look like that's the wire right there from the tail, from the back, and then look like there's the switch right here. It look like somebody trying to replace it. You got a brand new switch. It look like the green wire right there. That's the bad one right there. I'm gonna test it out. What happened? Alright, look like I'm not getting no power from the switch. The brand new switch been replaced. I'm a little confused there. So it gotta be bad connection somewhere. That switch. Here caused this problem, man. I gotta pull this out, maybe. Let's pull this out. Let's see. Maybe the switch is bad. There's this one right here. I want to put power on this one or this wire right here. So I'm gonna try to power this up right here. Reverse working, so we know the wire's good there. So it's gotta be the switch right here, man. I'm trying to open this up right here, see what's going on. It gotta be the switch. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna power this up right here and see if I get power from the tail. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, guys. Check it out. So I took this one right here. So I'm gonna power the green wire, which is right there. I'm gonna power up if I'm getting good connection from here all the way to the back. So check it out, guys. Alright guys, so got the power from the back all the way back here, and I'm still not getting the power. So I found the wires right here all the way from here, so it's got to be all the way from here, guys. You got to be short somewhere in this area, so it could be just a fuse. That'd be funny if it is, because somebody be trying to fix this problem. Nobody can figure out what it is, but hopefully we're the guy can fix it. So you just gotta find that reverse fuse. You gotta be the reverse fuse, because imagine it though. I'm getting power all the way back there. I mean, I'm not getting no power at all, but the wire is good. I don't see any damage on the wire. So, but somebody been all over this car. Look, got this harness. All the wires open. Somebody been on these vehicles, man, for real. So I'm gonna check it out. Where's the reverse light? And then I'm gonna let you guys know. Yep. Alright guys, new update. I think I found the problem. Pretty much what happened, I did find a wire over there that's kind of short wire. So I ended up fixing that wire. And I guess somebody trying to fix it. And I noticed the transmission reverse switch light is not plugged all the way in and it's loose. So end up fixing that wire and a connection, and I found the fuse that is blown. I believe the number right there. I think that's the fuse right there. But if it keep blowing up again, we know there's a short wire somewhere. We just gotta find that. But I did find another wire that is not plugged in all the way. It's not plugged in all the way, and then it's just halfway. So I fixed that one, and I also found a wire that is like open wire. I put a electrical tape on it so you won't touch the frame of the vehicles. Hopefully that's a problem. So hopefully this car right here, this light bulb, this fuse will fix it after did all that stuff. So I guess find the problem, guys. Check it out. Alright guys, find a replacement. So hopefully it won't blow. Let's see, guys. So let's see if it's gonna blow the fuse again. So just keep an eye on that fuse right there. That one right there. I'm gonna start it up. I'm gonna turn it on. See if it's gonna. This is the fuse right here, guys. This one right here. Check if it's gonna make that spark. I'm gonna do it. Fix it? Did we fix it? Alright, didn't blow up. Let's see if we fix it. Yep. we fixed it, guys. It was just that wire. All that wire was loose. So far, maybe I have to start the car, maybe. But I think we fixed it though. I think we got it fixed, guys. Yep. That's how we do it, guys. Yeah. This is my probe light. Fixed the problem, guys. It's old and broken. Just probably like 18 years, but still doing its job, man.